It is Easter and there are no postal deliveries from Europe to Finland. I need a headset cup remover tool, but it is not available for sale in local stores. So I bought a 25mm steel tube from the store and will make it myself. The 2-meter long tube costs €6.90. I measured a 400mm piece from the tube for the tool. I have a new tool that I just have to try out right away. Threadless saw guide provides straight cut on steel and carbon tubes. It is really fast and efficient. I am reaming the inside surface of the tube to make it clean. I clean up the outer edge with a belt grinder. I mark the cut lines on the tube at 90-degree intervals. I try to saw as straight as possible, but it does not have to be that precise. And the cut edges are ground smoother. Let's test the tool. I slide it through the head tube. Then I take a hammer and strike with appropriate force to remove the bearing cup. And then the cup is replaced and struck again. Works great. I drill a hole so the tool can be mounted on the tool bar. I sand all the edges smooth with sandpaper. Finally, I clean all the surfaces in the ultrasonic cleaner, and it is ready. Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe to the channel.